Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error Discord update failed Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to fix error Discord update failed Windows 11 disabled firewall. To start, enter firewall on the search box, click on firewall and network protection. After this, click on your actual network. After this, disable the Microsoft Defender firewall. Click on Yes to apply this change. Chapter 2. How to fix error Discord update failed Windows 11 restarting app. To start, in the taskbar, right-click on Over Discord and click Quit Discord. After this, open Discord from search box to validate that open. Chapter 3. How to fix error Discord update failed Windows 11 checking status. To use this method, due to the link we leave you in the video description. In this site, you can see the status of the Discord server and all its components in real time. Chapter 4. How to fix error Discord update failed Windows 11 deleting files. To start, in the search box enter %appdata%. Press on File folder. Now open the Discord folder, choose the folders on screen and click on Delete. Chapter 5. How to fix error Discord update failed Windows 11 renaming update file. To start, in the search box enter %local appdata%. Press on File folder. Now open the Discord folder, select the update file. Click on Rename to change the name of this file. Press Enter. Chapter 6. How to fix error Discord update failed Windows 11 open how admin. To begin, in the search box enter Discord. Click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes to open Discord. Chapter 7. How to fix error Discord update failed Windows 11 reinstalling app. To begin, click on Start and select Settings. Now go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. After that, on Discord, click on 3 dots and select Uninstall. Confirm this action and this app are uninstalling. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click on Download for Windows. When the file is downloaded, click on it, click on Run, wait for the installation to complete. Discord will open automatically. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.